A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Santa Barbara, California, at 4:50 a.m. on August 2nd, 2023, effective until 5:05 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. If this was a real alert, you should tune to one of these television or radio stations to receive instructions from authorities about what is happening and what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Turn the fuck down.
A civil authority has it.
Fuck. Oh! New station discovered. Yep. New station discovered. One. Can I find that other one? Damn.
Anymore. With Jacuzzi, you can get a safer.
After the controversial agreement in June between the PGA Tour and Saudi-backed Lib.
And it helps prevent streaks and haze. Wet Jet is so worth it. Love it or your money back.
Kayaking is my...
It's always when I tune away. Always when I tune away, KYT does shit. It's not intended to start off pissed this time.
A civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Santa Barbara, California, at 4:50 a.m. on August 2nd, 2023, effective until 5:05 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the 2023, effective until 5:05 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. If this was a real alert, you should tune to one of these television or radio stations to receive instructions from authorities about what is happening and what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
She reportedly
45 days. That's the power of Febreze small spaces.
Psoriasis really messes with you. Try, hope, fail.
No one should suffer like that.
I started Cosentix. 5.
Civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Santa Barbara, California, at 4:50. The alert system. This is only a test. If this was a real alert, you should tune to one of these television or radio stations to receive instructions from authorities about what is happening and what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
LifeLock membership and begin receiving protection against identity theft, including the LifeLock $1 Million Protection Package. If your money is stolen or you have expenses due to identity theft, LifeLock will either get it back for you or reimburse you for it up to the limit of your plan, including up to $1 million in coverage for lawyers and experts if needed. So call 1-800-840-1420.
Cars.
Goal in the group stage, but they move on. 0-0.
Missed KYT 13. That's frozen. Come in. Bro, I confirmed a few new stations. Fuck me.
warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency or a life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Specially billed receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. At 10 a.m. watches and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters.